For people of a certain generation, or people of a few generations, when you think of a car you can drive all week, race all weekend, drive home again, you probably think of Porsche. And for the past 60 years, that's probably meant the 911. But in fact, Porsche's giant killing reputation on road and racetrack, and Ferry Porsche's ambitions as a car maker, were built on the back of this tough little model, the 356. The 356 started production in 1948 using a modified platform and air-cooled flat-4 engine from the Volkswagen. Just 3 years later, a Porsche 356 won its class on its debut in the 1951 24 Hours of Le Mans and drove the 2,000k round trip from Stuttgart. This 1960 356B sits at a significant intersection of that evolution. It has the final refinement of classic features like finned alloy drum brakes and 6-volt electrics, but by now with a 1.6-litre engine and uprated gearbox in the brighter and ergonomically better T5 facelift body. At first glance, those cars look pretty much the same as the very last 356 built in 1965. But engineering evolution, particularly under the skin, had already become a Porsche hallmark. I've driven a few 356s over the years, and in fact, in the early 80s, for about a year, I had the use of a good friend's 356B, similar to this one. This Australian delivered car shows, and a recent restoration kept focus on factory specification, like retaining the 6-volt electrics. Now, I'm not about to explore wishing or wiping, which is the technique of throwing a 356's rear end into corners when you're really pressing on. But it's that agility and lightness, about 850 kilos here, along with reliability, that was the 356's giant killing secret weapon back in the day. There are only about 8,500 T5 coupes like this one built, and you might struggle to find a more authentic example than this one, which took Best in Show at last year's Sydney German Auto Fest. The 356B just offers so much to delight the eyes, the ears and the driving senses. Before Porsche built the 911, the 356 is the car that built Porsche.